Distinguished participants, thanks to scientists, we are nowadays very aware of the situation of our planet. We know that sustainable development needs to be achieved in all human activity, as our planet has boundaries that have to be respected. I am delighted that the riches of the earth can be used for humankind and in a sustainable way. For example, my home country, Finland, produces different end products for the global market. The Finnish climate is harsh. Winter lasts for 100 days in the south and 200 days in the north of the country, while summers have heat waves. Frost, a sparse population and long distances demand both energy and material. We have had a deep interest in energy efficiency and respect for sustainable energy services throughout our history. The International Energy Agency has estimated that around half of the emissions reductions necessary against global warming should be achieved through improved energy efficiency. Sources of renewable energy are also of utmost importance. Finland aims at offering solutions to global problems. The solutions need to be compatible with the security of energy supply, cost efficiency, various environmental aspects, and the needs of the growing world population. Due to our history in resource efficiency, we are leaders in renewable energy. Their share of the final energy consumption is around 35%. Various renewable energy sources and technologies are available also for many developing countries. They offer possibilities for better access to energy and for gender equality. The Finnish approach to improving energy efficiency is based on targeted measures. For example, voluntary agreements to cut back on energy use are an excellent tool of promoting energy efficiency. The agreements between the Ministry of Employment and Economy and the industry have attracted widespread interest since they began in 1997. About 85% of energy use in industry falls within the coverage of the agreements. They include the monitoring of energy efficiency, the carrying out of energy efficiency measures, and introducing of new technologies. As part of their commitment, leading export companies like Outokumpu, Rautaruukki, and Boliden report yearly on their continued progress. Finland's energy audit program is one of the oldest national energy efficiency schemes. It started in 1992 and was developed into a program-level activity already next year. Our experts have also cooperated, with example, with Vietnam, Korea, Japan, China, and Russia to share best practices, including energy audit schemes. Top-class metal refining industries in energy efficiency are a major export industry in Finland. For example, refining iron ore into pig iron and coal in the process itself, thus producing emissions. Using recycled iron materials needs vast amounts of electricity. Energy efficiency has offered both cost savings and resource efficiency. Products of the extractive industry, metals and minerals, aggregates and building stones are required to produce products, service and infrastructure essential in modern society, especially in our harsh weather conditions. Demand for raw materials has increased along with the global population growth, urbanization, and, of course, higher living standards. The debate on the mining sector has intensified with the increase in mining activities, and attitude towards mining have become more critical. While mining activities involve high expectations, there are also fears of irreversible changes and impacts to nature. Sustainable use of resources includes resource-effective use of the raw materials from recycling as well as from natural sources. Recycling cannot alone cover the increasing demands of materials. Production of climate-friendly technologies increases demand for raw materials that are not yet in the recycling cycle. Constant development of state-of-the-art technology provides efficient production, and the environmental impacts can be limited to the minimum. The Finnish metal industry's environmental performance is of high level even in international comparison. I'm especially proud of the innovative cooperation between research institutes, academia and industry, which is a combination that has resulted in new knowledge and innovations for the mining technique and equipment industry of Finland. These are world class, and I'm glad that Finland has the opportunity for international cooperation in this field. Public acceptance from the surrounding society must be earned through transparent and open reporting about the performance and open dialogue with all stakeholders. We can learn from our mistakes. Solid actions and investments in techniques that improve the sustainable performance are a necessity. A global climate agreement is needed to ensure a level playing field in a global circular economy despite technological progress and emissions-lean technologies. At the same time, I share the thoughts of many that, for example, in Finland, Finnish steel produced in an energy and metal efficiency way is an environmental action to be proud of. My country, Finland, continues to strive for being the leading country in increasing the share of renewable energy and in energy and material efficiency. The government continues to stress the importance of widespread uptake and development of clean tech solutions in all economic sectors, including energy production and value chains through metal industry production. Dear participants, I wish you a useful and enjoyable conference. It's pity that I cannot be with you, but in the future I will hopefully have the possibility to be present. So, once again, my very warm thanks for your attention. I hope to see you soon in the many fields of sustainable development.